Dr. Kenji here, the Good Chiropractor, here to show you the ingredients to the pillow I developed, the Good Roll. So first on the outside, it's made with the organic raw cotton cover. And on the inside, let's see what's inside here. Organic buckwheat hulls, which are naturally hypoallergenic. And for you hot sleepers, heat resistant. So let's get this torch going. And let's give it a 3-second burn and see what happens here. Yeah, let's give it a 5-second burn, okay? Let's see how it feels. Oh, it's still cool. Does not retain heat. Now, let's see what's in the other pillows. But first, I gotta protect myself because a lot of pillows have chemicals in them. So when we burn them, you'll die. Oh man. Yeah. One. Oh. That didn't go so well. Probably not a good idea to sleep on that either. Here's your beloved Tempur-Pedic. This one burns less because there's a flame retardant on it. Yeah. Don't sleep on that shit.